If you miss out on Notcoin, don't worry, I bring you good news. Okay, so this is called Tapswap. Tapswap is powered by Solana project. Solana project is not something you hear and look away. If you hear about Solana project, wherever you hear about Solana project, just hop on it and start making money. Okay, this is unlike Notcoin. You can use your 5 fingers to tap on it. I'm using my 5 fingers to tap on this currently, as you can see, and it's moving so quick. Okay, and there's also ways to boost your earnings. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to start tapping and making this money. If you don't have time to tap on this, I'm going to show you how to assign a bot to be tapping it for you. Okay, so let's go into it. So to start, you need to go to your Telegram and then click on the search icon and type in tap swap. Okay, you're going to select the first one, that is it, and then click on start now. It's going to load up and then you start tapping. Okay, so let me show you how to assign a bot. So before you can assign a bot, you need to have at least 200,000 coins. Okay, so let me show you the easy way to get this 200,000 coins and assign a bot to start tapping for you. Just click on this task. Okay, so once you click on task, you can see the task you can perform. Join their social media. You can see join the Telegram chat, join S handle, visit websites. Once you complete all these tasks, they're going to reward you with 200,000 coins. Okay, so once you get these 200,000 coins, you're going to go ahead and click on boost. Okay, and you can see both, tap on it and turn it on, then the bot will start mining for you. All you need to do is to come back here and then click on got it. Okay, when you click on got it, you will see the amount of coins that the bot have mined for you. Then click on got it and it will appear on your coin balance. Okay, check the comment section. I'll be dropping a link for you to sign up. Okay, use my link to sign up. Okay, for more benefits. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, like and follow me for more videos. Okay, see you in my next video.